A mattress, mat, a set of cooking pots, 25 kg bags of rice, maize, millet, beans, and other condiments are brought to Nasarawa State by the National Commission for Refugees, Migrants and Internally Displaced Persons. 350 households of internally displaced persons receive a package each. A gesture which will not be a one-off, the Commission's boss assures.
We will continue to identify with every opportunity that will preserve the dignity and well-being of our persons of concern in this state. We will continue to use such opportunities to encourage them to have hope and believe that the government, taking the whole of society approach, will see to their rehabilitation, reintegration and resettlement back into society.
Their return to their homes is what Governor Abdullahi Sule is concerned about.
Government, in collaboration with the security agencies and other relevant stakeholders, made concerted efforts and ensured that normalcy will return to the affected communities. In this regard, government is determined to continue to provide necessary logistics to facilitate the return of the IDPs to their various original places of abode.
The governor, the commission's boss, flanked by other stakeholders, lay foundation for the construction of a resettlement city in Kefi local government area. An initiative which is part of the second phase of the rehabilitation and reintegration project of the government to cater for persons of concerns in the North Central Zone.
On this piece of land, we will build 30 one-bedroom studio apartments for the elderly, persons of concerns, 60 two-bedroom apartments for all persons of concerns and their host community, and other services and amenities like primary school, secondary school, a police post, a clinic.
I want to also thank all our leaders for the peace we continue to experience, in the state and the good people of Nasarawa State. Because without the peace that we are experiencing, it wouldn't have been possible to bring it to this destination.
The second phase of the city will also be established in Zamfara, Edo and Katsina states after the completion of the first phase in Borno, Kano and Katsina. Halima Gayam, Channels Television News.
Rivers State Governor Nyesom Wike has accused the leadership of the All Progressives Congress of failing to alleviate the plight of Nigerians after running the affairs of the country for 6 years. The Governor Wike, who was speaking during the flag-off of the reconstruction of the Chokocho-Igbodo Federal Road in Eche local government area of the state, says since the assumption of the APC at the federal level, the economy and security of the nation have now become worse. The project was flagged off by the Governor of Oyo State, Seyi Makinde, who commended the Governor for the projects initiated and executed.
This is federal government road, it is not state government road. But we said our people cannot continue to suffer. The mere fact that the federal government does not want to help us does not mean that we will not help ourselves. Eche is one of the oil-producing communities, one of the oil-producing local government. And therefore, there's no way the federal government can forget a local government like this. What is their benefit for the federal government? What is their benefit from the oil? Nothing. Just one federal road they have, nothing can be done to it. I'm here and I've come here to solve the problem.
Let it be on record that here today in Eche local government of Rivers State is where we are starting the push to rescue Nigeria. Development is not being concentrated in Port Harcourt alone. Rivers State is being linked together, and you're creating an economic corridor for the entire state. So I will say thank you, Mr. Project. It's not for fun that they call you Mr. Project. It is because you are a visionary leader.